In 1978, Lord Chamberlain's men, led by William Shakespeare, performed in the White House one of his most famous plays, Hamlet. Now, if you're unfamiliar, Hamnet is William Shakespeare's biological son. Hamlet was actually a helicopter that Shakespeare owned when he was 12. This helicopter is actually the entire focal point of the work of Hamlet. How they got an Apache attack helicopter into the White House might surprise you. They took out the entire front of the White House, stuck the Apache attack helicopter into the White House, then performed the play while President Obama watched and clapped for nearly 3.5 hours straight. It was amazing. My favorite applesauce product, or Apple product in general, would actually be apple butter, seeing as it is the most superior version of the apple, containing both apple, cinnamon, and not really butter, so why does anyone even call it apple butter? I've heard it's very good on sweet potato fries, it's very good on toast, bagels, waffles, literally anything. Apple butter. Apple butter is the answer. We're standing here tonight with the one, second, George W. Bush. Mr. Bush, how are you tonight? Thank you. Thank you for coming. Mr. Bush, would you please tell us how your presidency went? Yes, very fun. Good joke, sir. Good joke. And gas prices. How are gas prices affected? Yes. No, that's very good. Very good.
Did you just
Get down, Mr. President!